let's get down to brass tacks and talk about steak doneness. There are a lot of opinions about it, so it's important to know the facts. In this video, I'll teach you how a steak cooks, about different steak temperatures, how to get the temperature you want, and the very best tools for the job. All right, how a steak cooks. However you cook, heat comes from the outside of the steak. So the outside cooks fastest and the middle of the steak cooks the slowest. That's good because it creates a great sear on the outside, but it's bad because the outside of the steak can overcook while you're waiting for the inside to come to temperature. All steak cooking methods are attempts to get the inside cooked evenly. Temperature is always measured in the center of the steak. By putting the thermometer right there in the middle, that's going to give you a true and accurate readout of the temperature in the steak every single time. The best way is with a fast digital thermometer like this. It's okay to check the temperature of your steak as often as you want. The juices aren't going to run out. A steak is not a balloon. A few pokes will not change your results. Another easy and helpful tool is the Omaha Steaks app. There's a built-in timer so you can just enter your steak thickness and doneness, and it will tell you exactly what to do. It's also great to know that when you're looking for the temperature, it's best to remove when it's 5 degrees below your target temp. Because you gotta remember, once it's on that plate or cutting board, it's gonna continue to carry over cook, so that's a very important part of it. The heat will continue to rise on its own for the final 5 degrees. Now let's talk different steak temperatures. I'll show you the differences and you can decide for yourself. What I have here is a rare steak, a medium rare steak, and a well done steak. The rare steak is almost uncooked. It has close to a raw texture and not for everyone. It might be too juicy for some people. The medium rare has a nice pink color running all throughout. It keeps most of its juice. It has a great chew, still tender, and most people, including mine's favorite. The well done is just tougher and drier. No matter how good a steak is, there'll be almost no juice left. The well done just looks brown. Now you know everything you need to know about steak cooking temperatures and doneness. Every Omaha steak box comes with a cooking temperature chart, and you can find the same information at omahasteaks.com. So take this information and this newfound knowledge and go forth and make some amazing steaks.